The program Where Love Grows, the mobile cooking class, started at Edison as a result of our listening project. We interviewed the students and asked them what kind of programs they wanted, and to all of our surprise, cooking was at the top of the list. Most of them stated they go home alone and they have to cook anyway for themselves or their siblings.
Being a part of the cooking program, it helped me with math and measuring things. Also in science, it helped me understand that I could make more things other than breakfast, and they ended up tasting pretty good. Other than that, it was really fun. Helped me connect with my mom more.
We've also learned in 2020 that the National Education Association labeled lessons in the kitchen as part of STEM programming. You know, they're using all 5 senses, but when you use all 5 senses, which we do in the class, you have such a higher attention rate of the knowledge that you're getting. It breaks down that fear of cooking because a lot of the families don't cook. So we're happy to break that barrier, and by the 3rd class, we're all family.